Asheli from Out Decocrated Reviews, and today we're unboxing Decocrated. If you're not familiar with this is a seasonal home decor subscription box. I'm so excited. This came yesterday and I couldn't film it, but I'm super excited. I do have a $10 off coupon code for you guys too. I'll put that the actual code down below. It's Asheli the Monolith 10, gives you $10 off. So this subscription is $79.99 a season. In here you have 2 to 3 interchangeable items, other items that you'll use every season that you can kind of work with all the time. There will be things that are seasonally appropriate though. I love fall too, it's just so much fun. And then you do get a free gift, okay? So you have $200+ in retail. The free gift is this frame that you'll use. Every box comes with a print that is interchangeable, and it will go in that frame. It's super cool. I will take pictures on my blog of like how I use everything, and I will do a full review as I always do. I'll also link to Decocrated so you can check them out. I am so excited. I don't know what's in here. I don't even think I saw any spoilers. It's beautifully packaged, and it comes with this really cool, this thing here tells you their palette, the color scheme. It's just so well done. Everything comes in individually packaged, and you also get your print in here. So our print for fall says, first side is Hey There Pumpkin. So this is gonna go in this little frame. If you saw my other videos, you know. And then the other side is spooky, because obviously fall has that element of Halloween, but then you don't need Halloween all fall. So that is so cool. And here is our manual. It tells us how to use things. I don't want to peek in there yet though. So we're just gonna start ripping. Oh my gosh, I love this. It says empty. How many times have you guys watched and you're like, oh, you need to open that? What if there's something in it? And there never was. But just in case, this one says empty. I love it. This one does not say empty. So we are gonna open this bad boy up. This looks like a big basket. I love this. So every box comes with what they call a vessel. This is handcrafted. I am one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artisan. Therefore, I will have subtle variations and blemishes. Please don't think any less of me because of my imperfections. They make me unique. So this is a very big basket. This would be great to hold breads, put a towel in it, put crackers in it, hors d'oeuvres and things like that. Beautiful, and I love that it has like a distressed finish. All right, I love that they did this. This is so cool. Empty, empty. We know. All right. Empty. All right. Obviously not empty. I remember I had this little friend when I was a kid, and she wrote me a letter because she moved, and it was Christmas. She said, don't forget, rip and tear until you're there. And sometimes as I'm opening these boxes, I think that to myself, like, rip and tear until you're there. Okay. All right, so here we have, oh, this is cool. So we have like this fall letter board. Let me get this out here. It says fall, the letter board. Oh, look, okay, so you take this is fake, this is just paper. But here in this, you have all your letters. So you'll put these in. F, oh, there's way more than that though. You can put, fall is just a suggestion. These have probably, let's see, each of these things has 1, 2, 3, oh, these all say something different. So this one says boo. This obviously says fall, and I'm guessing this one, just a guess, it says home, so you can use it all year long, I bet. I hope. Oh no, it doesn't. It says HEMV. I don't know. We're gonna have to look and see. I had to go pick my son up from the bus stop. So I am back. I just didn't want to get there too late and you know, missed the bus. All right, so we have these letters here. I don't know exactly what these stand for. We'll look that up at the end and we'll figure that out. Forgot, I had already gotten this out. So we're gonna open this baby up and see what's in here. I love getting new home decor. It's so inspiring to like clean and freshen up and make everything all nice and fancy. All right, so here we go. This has something Halloween themed. Pumpkin, sweets, spooks, and treats. Oh, that's so cute. And on the back here, we have thankful. This is a great item to put on your mantle. I have a very, mine is very slick modern with like a bright pops of yellow, white, black, and grays. So this will be perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. Ooh, I love it. All right, so we still have a bunch of other stuff in here. I'm so excited. And I just get ready. I may never get this out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got this part out. Here's the actual decor item. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, I wanna see more. Everything is packaged so well in this. All right, so first on one side, these are all interchangeable so far. So welcome to our home is one side, and then it flips, and it says, gather here with grateful hearts. I love this, isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. It's gotta go in my kitchen, right? Like it's just a kitchen piece, right? Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right. Keeping on. All right, and here we have something that's wooden. Ooh, so I don't know if this is supposed to be used with something in the box, but it's a pedestal. So it's got this little, maybe you put this on your table and you put this on top or the basket. We'll see how they style it in the book because they give you lots of ideas. That's something I love about this. And it's beautiful, by the way. Beautiful wood. All right, we're down to our final item here. Oh, no, final two items. Friends. I should probably be a little more careful, but anyway. These look like pillowcase covers. That's a thing they send in a lot of their boxes. I love that about it. Oh, so their colors are clearly like an eggplant, blacks, and deep just burgundy colors. So here we have a pumpkin pillowcase. The back is this pretty, it looks like it's very soft, this aubergine color. Then we have this one that kind of looks like sleepy eyes, but it's just a nice little pattern to go along with that. All right, and then we have our very final item in this box. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. All right. Okay, what is it? Flower. Oh, isn't that pretty? It like has, I think this is called verdigris, that green kind of outdoorsy like copper that's been kind of aged a little bit. It's beautiful though. And this is probably that sticker that says I'm handcrafted, so it may have imperfections and things like that. So let's go through our little booklet here. This is why I kind of didn't want to keep going on the last video and have to rush through. I want to really give you guys a good breakdown of this. So in here it has our story. Decocrated is our name and home decor is our game. We work hard year-round researching trends, scouring Pinterest, and watching hours and hours of HD TV to curate the best in home decor. so that you can look like a decorating maverick. Our mission is to make sure that we create a beautiful story every season and deliver it to your door so that you can focus on more important things in life, making some memories. The featured artist in this box is Katarina Fonte. What did she make? Doesn't say which pieces she made. All right, so I might have missed it though, because sometimes I look at these and I'm like, I should have seen them. It was in there, but I'm trying to skim, and you know how that works. All right, so there's a style sheet. It gives you all the key colors, concepts. All right, so welcome to the brilliance of autumn with earthy tones of deep blush and jeweled blue. Embrace the harvest with bohemian-inspired imagery that combines the bounty of fall with the trendiness of floral succulents. For Halloween, sophisticated visuals create hauntingly stylish decorations. Fall, so the key themes are fall, lush succulents, bohemian imagery, and vivid hues, and Halloween, sophisticated tribal, bold typography, and pops of color. Their key colors are navy gray, that beautiful aubergine, a rusty brown color, and then a reddish toned color, an olive green, a mustard yellow, and a little deeper gray, like a charcoal gray. Combining elements are brush textures, dark natural woods, tribal patterns, and woven brights. What's included? 5 interchangeable and seasonal decor items, 3 everyday home accents, and 1 organizational accessory. So it tells you here are the pieces. Now you're going to see how to style them. Hey there to you too. So this is the frame that you'll get for your free gift if you subscribe. There's your little pumpkin print, and then you can see on the wall there they have their floral, the metal floral wall hanging up. So they show you the art print. Oh, okay, so this was designed by our featured artist. The fall pillow. So here's the pillow, the pumpkin pillow styled, and then there is that, the 2 styled after Halloween. So you can flip that one over. You've got a pretty purple with this. This also works. Do you guys remember, if you saw my last video, they gave this black. It was a spring pillow. I mean, you can kind of put those together and it looks really good. All right, then you have the tabletop sign. Oh my gosh, so that is a a pie holder or a dessert stand, right? See, they put a pumpkin pie on there, and then you put this, like, see, they have it on their countertop. That's what I imagined, kind of like a deli where you have like a sign, you know? I love that. I love it. I love the way they styled it. I think that's so pretty. All right, so there's the block art. Here is the pedestal tray. Now they've used it quite a few ways. I do like using it as a dessert tray because I do bake a lot, but that you can put like really cool stuff on it and make it just a display piece for knickknacks and things. The metal flower, here it is styled on the wall. It's beautiful. It's a great way to bring a lot of stuff together, like my sign wall. Style tip, create your own seasonal gallery wall by combining large art pieces with small decor. And then you have the letter board. Okay, so there's boo, home. There is home. It does say home. And fall. Maybe they're backwards. Maybe they have letter. No, they can't. That doesn't work, right? Maybe they're all mixed up. So, oop. Yeah, I don't know. So here's fall. There's boo. It's all here. Boo. And then there's an exclamation. Maybe fall has, that can't be though, right? All right, let me see here. Yeah, it says fall. So there's all the letters for fall. So I don't know if I got like the mistake. No. H-E, right? Hold on. But the only thing is this is a V. Maybe I can take some black marker or something. All right, so there's that. That's really cool. Simply stunning, the wicker tray. So this tray, how did they use it? They hung it on the wall. See how they like put the succulents in there, and they put succulents in it. Then they also have it laying down, and they used it to hold like pumpkins and fall stuff like that. Which is really cool. And then they do have a refer a friend program on here, and it tells you how that works. All right, so that is everything that I received in my Decocrated. I love this box. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All these items are so, it's such a great way to like freshen up your decor every season. It's not too often, 4 times a year, just like the perfect amount. So if you're interested, check out Decocrated, use my coupon code, $10 off, really good deal. And also check out my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.